So students, here this is the another example of eliminating the arbitrary constants. See here, in this equation we have two arbitrary constants, a and b. Ax square by square equal to 1. So we will differentiate this differential equation two times. First differentiate with respect to x. We have 2ax minus 2by y dash. Here differentiation of x is 2x because x is independent variable, and differentiation of y is 2y y dash because y is dependent variable. So y dash mean dy by dx equal to 0. 2 can be taken common. So we have ax minus b y y dash equal to 0. Therefore ax minus b y y dash equal to 0. Ax equal to b y y dash. Now we can take this equation 1. Our motive is to remove these a and b, so we will again differentiate with respect to x. Left side is a, right side is b. Now here is y y dash. We will apply here the product rule of differentiation. First function differentiation of second plus second function differentiation of first. So we have a is equal to b y y dash y double dash plus y dash square. So this is the value of a. We can get the value of a from this, so we can take this equation 2. So put value of a from equation 2 in the equation 1. So this is from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, b y double dash plus y dash square is equal to b y y dash. Here x is also here because this is ax. Ax means a multiplied by x. So this whole is multiplied by x. So left side is xb y y double dash plus y dash square. Now b can be cancelled both sides. So left side is x y y double dash plus y dash square is equal to y y dash. Now x can be multiplied to both the terms. X y y double dash plus x y dash square is equal to y y dash. Now transpose this term to left side. Plus become minus x y dash square minus y y dash equal to 0. So this is the required differential equation. Differential equation.